Are you experiencing the frustration of your air conditioning not working? Don't fret, we're here to help you. In today's video, we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of why your AC is not working properly to cool your home. I'll provide some practical solutions, and at the end, I'll share a commonly overlooked factor which could be the key to unlocking your AC's full potential. So make sure you watch until the end to discover that secret tip. Okay, let's take a closer look at the possible causes of this all-too-common problem. First, thermostat issues. Sometimes the answer is as simple as checking the device that controls your AC. First, make sure the display isn't blank. If it is, that could be a sign that it's lost mains power. The backup batteries need replacing, or the device is faulty. If the thermostat is working, the next step is to check the vents. Place your hand in front of several vents to make sure the air is flowing. If it's blowing room temperature air or none at all, it might indicate an issue with your furnace or forced air unit, which will require you to call a technician. Third, make sure the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Locate your fuse box and check for any breaker that's in the off position. Before turning it back on, verify it is the one that powers the AC system. If you still have issues, you'll need to call a professional HVAC company like Pure Plumbing and Air to identify and fix the problem. And now, as promised, an often overlooked factor that most people aren't aware of: improper sizing. Sometimes an AC unit is the wrong size for the space, which can lead to inadequate cooling. Too large and it cools too quickly without properly dehumidifying. Too small and it just can't keep up. Consulting with a qualified technician can verify whether you have the right size unit for your needs. If this video helped you, please click the like button, subscribe for more useful tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. This video was brought to you by Pure Plumbing and Air in Las Vegas. If you need help with any plumbing, heating, or cooling anywhere in Las Vegas or Henderson, Nevada, give us a call at 702-534-1910. And remember, if you've got to be sure, call Pure. If you like this video, then you'll find this one helpful too.